Of the world.
Sarah has the hiccups.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny.
I'm trying to capture on camera.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's one.
Okay. Sarah's hiccups are pretty amazing, actually. Sound like a cat.
I think I just did one.
Ponder.
Ow.
So, yeah, we're kind of bored out of our minds. As you can probably already tell, since this is like, what, the 8th video we've done tonight or something?
Mm-hmm.
Boo 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 boo.
Oh my gosh. Stop.
So Rebecca decided to leave us, but we're here all night.
Mm-hmm.
Stay for the show. We'll probably have like a billion more videos by the morning. Don't worry. Yes, look at my powerful water bottle. Ow! It's not cool!
Anyway, that was like the highlight of our day.